Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best tools and websites to track the crypto market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, having the right resources at your fingertips can make all the difference in navigating the exciting and sometimes volatile world of cryptocurrency. Just like tracking your net worth is crucial to building wealth, keeping a close eye on the crypto market is essential for any serious investor. These platforms offer a variety of features from basic price tracking to in-depth technical analysis, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. We'll be exploring 5 amazing tools that I personally use and recommend, and by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to make more informed decisions in your crypto journey. Let's jump right in. First up, we have CoinMarketCap, arguably the most well-known website in the crypto space. If you're just starting out, this is like your home base. CoinMarketCap gives you a bird's-eye view of the entire crypto market, showing you the price of pretty much every cryptocurrency out there, from Bitcoin and Ethereum all the way down to the obscure coins you've probably never even heard of. Think of it like your stock portfolio tracker, but for crypto. You can see the current price of each coin, how much it's gone up or down in the past 24 hours, and even further back. This is crucial information because, as you know, the crypto market moves fast, and staying on top of these price fluctuations is key. But CoinMarketCap doesn't stop there. It also tells you the market cap of each coin, which is basically the total value of all the coins in circulation. This is a good indicator of how established a cryptocurrency is. Generally, the higher the market cap, the more stable the coin tends to be. You'll also find trading volume data, which shows you how much a particular cryptocurrency is being traded. High trading volume usually means there's a lot of interest in a coin, which can impact its price. And here's a bonus. CoinMarketCap has a feature that lets you create a watch list. This is where you can add all the cryptocurrencies you're interested in and track their performance in one convenient place. No more jumping between different tabs or websites. It's all right there at your fingertips. Now, CoinMarketCap is great for a general overview, but if you want to dive deeper into specific coins, you'll need something a little more robust. That's where CoinGecko comes in. Now, CoinGecko is a lot like CoinMarketCap. In fact, many people use both. CoinGecko offers all the same basic information: prices, market cap, trading volume, the works. But what sets it apart are the additional features and insights it provides. For example, CoinGecko has a fantastic fear and greed index. This tool measures market sentiment, basically telling you whether people are feeling bullish or bearish about the crypto market. This can be super helpful in gauging potential market movements. Another cool feature is the crypto categories section. This breaks down the crypto market into different sectors like DeFi, NFTs, Metaverse, and more. This is a great way to explore different areas of the crypto space and discover new investment opportunities. CoinGecko also provides more detailed historical data. So, if you want to see how a particular coin has performed over the past year, 3 years, or even since its inception, CoinGecko has you covered. This can be incredibly valuable for identifying long-term trends and making more informed investment decisions. And if you're into decentralized finance or DeFi, CoinGecko has an entire section dedicated to it. You can track the total value locked, TVL, in DeFi protocols, find new yield farming opportunities, and stay updated on the latest DeFi trends. One thing I really appreciate about CoinGecko is its clean and user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, even if you're new to the crypto world. They've done a great job of presenting complex data in a way that's understandable for everyone. Now, if you're serious about trading cryptocurrency, you need a platform that can keep up with your analysis. That's where TradingView comes in. TradingView is the go-to platform for charting and technical analysis, not just for crypto, but for stocks, forex, and pretty much any other financial market you can think of. But for today, we're focusing on crypto. TradingView gives you access to incredibly detailed charts with a ridiculous amount of customization options. You can overlay different indicators, draw trend lines, spot patterns, and really dig deep into the price action. This is where things get a little more advanced. But trust me, if you're serious about maximizing your returns in the crypto market, learning technical analysis is crucial, and TradingView is the best tool for the job. What I love about TradingView is that it's not just a charting tool, it's also a social platform. You can connect with other traders, share your charts and analysis, and even learn from experienced professionals. It's like a community of like-minded individuals who are all passionate about trading. TradingView offers a free plan, which is great for getting started and learning the ropes. But if you're a serious trader, I highly recommend checking out their paid plans. They offer advanced features like real-time data, custom indicators, and more. Whether you're a day trader looking for quick profits or a long-term investor trying to identify major market trends, TradingView has the tools and resources you need to succeed. Next up, we have CryptoCompare, a website that's often overlooked but offers a treasure trove of information for crypto enthusiasts. Now, CryptoCompare is more than just a price tracker. It's a comprehensive platform that covers everything from news and analysis to mining and wallets. One of the standout features of CryptoCompare is its extensive exchange data. It aggregates data from hundreds of different exchanges worldwide, giving you a truly comprehensive view of the market. This is crucial because prices can vary significantly from one exchange to another. CryptoCompare lets you compare prices across multiple exchanges, ensuring you get the best possible deal when buying or selling your crypto. Another great feature is the portfolio section. You can create a portfolio of your crypto holdings and track its performance over time. This is a fantastic tool for staying organized and understanding how your investments are doing. CryptoCompare also has a dedicated news section that covers all the latest happenings in the crypto world. You'll find breaking news, in-depth analysis, and insightful opinion pieces from industry experts. And if you're interested in mining cryptocurrency, CryptoCompare has a whole section dedicated to it. You can find information on different mining hardware, calculate your potential mining profitability, and even compare different mining pools. Overall, CryptoCompare is an incredibly versatile platform that caters to a wide range of crypto users. Whether you're a trader, investor, miner, or just someone who wants to stay informed about the crypto space, CryptoCompare has something for you. Finally, we have Messari, a platform that's geared towards more institutional investors and serious crypto enthusiasts. Now, Messari is all about providing in-depth research, data, and analysis on the crypto market. Think of it as the Bloomberg or Reuters of the crypto world. They have a team of analysts who constantly publish reports, articles, and insights on various aspects of the crypto market. One of the key features of Messari is its asset metrics section. Here, you'll find detailed information on hundreds of different cryptocurrencies, including their technology, team, tokenomics, and more. This is invaluable information if you're looking to invest in a particular coin and want to understand its underlying fundamentals. Messari helps you cut through the hype and make more informed investment decisions. Another great feature is the screener tool. This allows you to filter through different cryptocurrencies based on specific criteria, such as market cap, trading volume, or even social media sentiment. This is a powerful tool for discovering new investment opportunities and identifying coins that meet your specific investment criteria. Messari also has a fantastic charting interface that's on par with TradingView. You can track prices, analyze historical data, and even set up alerts for specific price movements. Now, Messari does come with a price tag, but if you're serious about crypto investing and want access to the best research and analysis available, it's worth every penny. They offer different subscription plans to fit different needs and budgets. And there you have it, the top tools and websites to track the crypto market like a pro. Each of these platforms offers a unique set of features and caters to different levels of investors, from beginners to seasoned veterans. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto world. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market's ups and downs and make profitable decisions. So, take some time to explore these tools, experiment with their features, and find the ones that best suit your investment style and goals. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which tools you found most useful and if you have any other favorites that I didn't mention. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing!